guys, and welcome to a Tuesday, and I am officially a graduate now. And as you saw, my family, my mom and dad, they went back to India on Saturday, and after that I went to a cafe just to meet a friend and to catch up. And after that I didn't do anything special, so I didn't shoot. And even yesterday I was so tired, I was not feeling it, so I didn't shoot anything. And honestly, I was just at home, and also I don't know if it's me or if it's everyone who graduates. I definitely feel happy. I'm so grateful that I also won an award, you know, the Excellence Award. I'm happy that now I'm finally a graduate, but I'm also very anxious and very nervous that what is on my plate in the future. And I think if you guys have been following me since the first day, you all know that I want to work in Korea, and for that I need to apply to companies and give interviews, and all of this has to be done in Korean. So that is also like one of my concern and one of the reason that I'm so anxious. And I don't know when I'll land up a job, but fingers crossed, I hope I get a job very soon. But anyway, today is a Tuesday and I am finally going out all dressed up again to meet my friends. And first I'll go to Songsu, to the Tear shop, you know, the foundation that I've been talking about since these past few vlogs. And after that we are going to go to Al Zero to meet our other friends and have a drink together. So I'll also show you how an actual Korean pub looks like. Actually, it's not a pub that we are going to, it's like a restaurant converted to a pub. I mean, not an actual pub. So anyway, but I'll show you how it looks like, and that's all I think we are going to do today. So come with me, let's go. I'm already late, my friend is already waiting downstairs, so kacha.
아니 확정된 건 아니고 할 수 있냐고 물어보길래. 여보세요? 근데 안 되고 이제 다른 사람을 보내드릴게요. Hi guys, and finally आज Wednesday है, and today is the day which I was waiting for बहुत time से, because after a very long time I'm at home. And also yesterday I put few clips जहाँ पे you must have seen that I helped my friend move. We were so tired because I left my house in the morning and I came back home at night around 11 p.m. so I didn't shoot anything, I just took those two clips, that's it. But today again I am at home and kuch karne nahi wali, so I thought of coming up on the camera and speaking to you guys. And yeah, subah se I just have had my lunch that you saw, right? And now I'm having coffee in my cherry blossom themed cup. So cute, you know, I don't know why, but I'm all pink these days. Like, my outfit is pink, my phone cover is pink, my phone itself is pink in color. I don't know, I mean, pink is, I think, my aesthetics for this spring season. And I'm also having pepero on the side because I love this flavor, the almond flavor pepero. And this is the best chocolate I think I've had in Korea. And I'm not a chocolate person, I'm not a person who loves sweet, but I just love to eat this whenever I have time because it's not that sweet. And anyway, please don't mind my face in this clip because I'm at home. I didn't even do my skincare, you know, I just want my skin to breathe today. So मैं बस ऐसे ही बैठी हूँ बिना कुछ किए, so don't mind that. Hi guys, today my friend is coming over and she's going to make lunch for us. Actually lunch था but it's already around 2 o'clock, so वो maybe lunch और dinner के बीच वाला जो भी उसको बोलते हैं वो होगा. And she's going to make us chillas, but till she comes I need to have something because मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया. I just had the dry fruits वाला लड्डू which I think I showed you in my first weekly vlog, and I'm going to drink Maaza. My mom and dad, when they came, they got Maaza from India because I love to have, you know, mango flavored drinks sometimes. Also my dressing room, basically the wardrobe room, which you must have seen in my house tour. नहीं देखा होगा तो पहले just go and watch my house tour and then come back. So my wardrobe room is a mess right now because the hanger on which I, you know, hung my clothes is all broken. I think because of the weight of the clothes. So sab niche gir gaya, all the clothes are lying on the floor. And the hanger that I used was actually from Daiso. So definitely ज़्यादा expect नहीं कर सकते because it's cheap. But this time I ordered, you know, a rod from Coupang, which is like Korea ka Amazon, and it's like a rod which has spring inside. So because of the tension that rod, it stays on the wall and it can carry up till around 25 to 30 kg. So I hope I'm able to install that, and I hope it takes the weight of all my clothes because winter clothes hai and winter clothes definitely heavy hote. Let's do that and then just wait for my friend to come. So bye. Wardrobe room looks like now, and I just installed this rod which was very difficult to install. Now finally I'll move all these clothes up here. ये देखो, ये लड़की लंच का बोल के डिनर पे आई है और हमने ये बनाया है which is मूंग के चिल्ले. Yes, it's a good morning because I am up so early. Actually, I have to go and meet a friend, so इसलिए जल्दी उठ गई हूँ. I'm just done with my makeup. I'll just style my hair, wear clothes and then leave. I'm finally out of the house and this is my outfit of the day. Definitely I'm carrying my short jacket because अभी भी इतनी गर्मी नहीं आई है. I'm going to take the metro, even though I don't like to travel by metros, but I have no choice because मेरा transport card में पैसे नहीं है. I have to refill that, so for that I have to go to the metro station. So
아이스. 네, 아이스로. 9,500원입니다.
guys, so I'm finally back home, and honestly when I reached home there is like a norebang near my house, like a karaoke room, and I suddenly felt like singing, so I went there alone and I sang 12 songs. Yeah, 12 songs alone. And after that, now I'm finally home, and I think that's 8 for today, and also that's 8 for this vlog. Yeah, so if you like my vlogs, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my main Instagram page. Again, the ID will be somewhere on the screen. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, annyeonghaseyo.